Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Shopify Payments to charge customer credit cards, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your Shopify account. Navigate to the Settings tab located at the bottom left of the admin panel. In the Settings menu, select Payments. Under the Payments section, look for the Shopify Payments, click on Activate Shopify Payments. Review the available features and click Continue to proceed. Enter your business information, including your legal business name. Provide your business address, phone number, and website URL. Fill in your bank account details for payouts. Ensure your currency settings are correct for your target market. Next, verify the information you entered before proceeding. Accept the terms and conditions by checking the appropriate box. Click the Complete Account Setup button to finalize the process. Once activated, Shopify Payments will allow you to accept credit card payments directly. Make sure to enable additional payment methods if necessary. For example, you can integrate third-party payment providers if preferred. After setting everything up, test your payment system to ensure functionality. Attempt a test transaction using a real credit card. Monitor your orders to confirm successful transactions appear in your dashboard. Lastly, familiarize yourself with the Shopify Payments dashboard to manage your transactions. You are now ready to start charging customer credit cards securely through Shopify Payments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.